As was expected, generative AI is transforming various things as we knew them last year. For instance, take this property staging. Few years back, I sold one of my property, and one of the recommendation from the real estate agent prior to selling that property was to stage the property. What it means is to change the decor of the property so that it will be more enticing and attractive to the potential buyers. When I inquired about the pricing, it was very expensive. It was close to 10,000 Australian dollars here in Sydney. So, which is quite expensive if you know how things are in Australia. So, at that time, the property market was not good enough, and I wanted to sell it at least for some of the profit, or at least some of the expenses I put on the property. So staging or styling of the property was out of question. So what I did, I just went onto the internet, checked the Pinterest and other resources, and then talked with few of the friends and tried to style the property, but it never really had that professional look. Ever since, I was wondering that if there could be a tool which I could use to virtually stage or style the property instead of paying 10 grand to an external party. So, for that reason, when I stumbled upon this tool, which is called as Room Reinvented, then it was a light bulb moment, because this tool or similar tools could really change the way property styling works. And of course, I mean, property stylists have to reinvent themselves somehow, because otherwise their job is in danger. Now, if you look at this tool, what is happening is that you create a virtual room and then you style it from different angles. And this is not just confined to the property styling or selling the property, it is just about changing your interior decor. If you want to change the interior decoration of your drawing room, your dining, your lounge, or your bedroom, you can easily do that sort of thing with this. Because just imagine if you buy a new piece of furniture or artwork for your lounge or your dining, and then it doesn't really go with your decor or taste, or it doesn't even fit in your room, then it will be a huge waste of money, and it will also make you so much frustrated. And I have been through that. That is why I believe that this tool can really help out when it comes to this property styling. Now, having said that, if you go through this website, it is quite cool. Look at this example. On the left hand side is the old room, and on the right hand side it's a bright, shiny new room. Now, there are a lot of differences here. For example, they have just changed the paint color, and then curtains, of course, and a lot of other things. And just one tip, by the way, regardless of this video, if you don't want to do anything else with your interior decoration, just do one thing: put a new coat of fresh paint, and then you will be amazed to see the difference anywhere. But again, you have to try out different paint colors, and you can use tools like this Room Reinvented to change the paint color. And look at this. I mean, the difference is there's a sea difference between these two. And then you don't have to spend like hundreds of thousands of dollars to get it changed. You can just do virtually. And then this is where AI generated style room. So you can just design your room like this, and then you can see it virtually how it looks like. And then there are various other examples around interior styling. You want a farmhouse look, you want a Hollywood Regency, Japanese Zen, eclectic, and then Mediterranean, tropical, Gothic, colonial, Moroccan, Southwest, and you can see that it is going on and on. You also have your own color palette where you can try out different colors. And then, of course, you will save a lot, and then inspiration is the key here, and it all depends upon your own ideas and creativity. Now, pricing is very, very generous, I would say. For the starter pack, they have only pay once. You can try for free, by the way, and then you generate 20 images. You can choose from 30 styles and then sort your ideas by room. For the plus one, of course, you can generate more images, like 100 images, and for $29 per month, you can generate 300 images per month. Now, if you are a property stylist and this is your bread and butter, it is no brainer to go with this pro account. And I'm not really marketing this website, I have no link with them. You can go with any other similar tool, and I have covered one more tool, similar tool, on my channel. You can search it here. So But having said that, instead of getting feared from tools like this, just take them as an enabler, because if you want, your competitor will start using this, because you are the property stylist, you have the experience, so you can be at more edge here, that and you can because you have the experience, you can suggest more styles to the customer. Because if a newbie or an amateur like me would go, we would have a limited ideas, but a property stylist who have seen a lot of styles and designs over the years, they will have more ideas, so they can use this tool more creatively and more productively. Okay, let's sign in there. You can sign up with your free email account. Once you sign in, you'll be presented with this screen. On the left hand side, just click on add new room and just call it, maybe I'll call it formal lounge. Click OK. And then you can add more rooms here on the left hand side. Now you can drop your own image, but let me go with the without an image, or you can just put the image of your own room here, but let me not do that. Okay, room type, no, it's a bath, it's a lounge, it's a formal lounge. Is there any formal lounge, or just living room is fine? Let me see. Okay, I'll just go with an living room. Okay, I'll just go with number of transformation 2 is more than enough. Let AI decide, and then I will just, or what if I select this? Okay, I'll go with AI. Click on start transformation, and you can see that I have 5 credits remaining. And this is what I really like. It is showing us the performance so that we won't just wait in the blind. And AI has selected Scandinavian with the light colors. Okay, that's cool. Let's wait for it to finish. So it has finished generating both of these. Let me first make it this bit bigger. I have just clicked on it, and this looks good, pretty formal, very nice. I like especially the corners, because corners are hard to fill. Now one thing I'm a bit surprised is this coffee table. This looks a bit weird. Anyway, let's go with this one. Okay, so I'll just click on this, because if you click on that, when it starts downloading, there you go. So again, similar sort of style in the Scandinavia, and you can see that it has also decorated your room. Now you can also change it. Okay, I'm just want to see if AI can change from here or not. Okay, not. So what about this? Okay, cool. And then I can also, of course, put my source image in. Anyway, sounds good to me. One thing I wanted to see if I could change it from here, but it doesn't seem like I can sketch it or change it from here. So, and how do I go to the home page? I don't see anything here. Okay, and this, okay, so it is in English and Dutch. Anyway, sounds good to me. I think this is still a tool in making, because the UI is a bit patchy, I would say. I would expect an home button here, then go from there, but there is no home button. I can simply add the rooms from here. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. But as you can see, the point here is that generative AI is changing all of these things as we knew them, and we need to adapt. We need to reinvent ourselves if we want to stay relevant. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or any similar tools, let me know and I'll be happy to cover them. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you already have subscribed, please share it among your network. Thank you very much.